If you're having trouble with deleting a Snapchat story that just won't go away, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through some quick and effective solutions to fix this issue in 2024. So let's get started. First, let's make sure we're following the right steps to delete your story. Open the Snapchat app. Swipe left to go to the storage. And find the story you want to delete. Tap on it to view the story, then tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. You should see the option to delete. Tap on it and confirm that you want to delete the story. It should be removed from your feed immediately. Now let me just simply put in story and show you. Here you need to simply click on three dots and simply click on delete snap and delete. Now if you follow these steps and your story isn't deleted, let's try a few troubleshooting steps. First, try clearing the cache. Go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji. Then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and tap on clear cache. Click on clear. This can sometimes resolve issues with stories not updating correctly. Next, check if there's an update available for Snapchat. Go to your app store, search for Snapchat, and if you see an update available button, simply click on it. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can fix minor glitches. Turn your phone off and on again and then check if the issue is resolved. If none of these steps works, you might need to contact Snapchat support. You can do this by going to settings and scroll down and go to I need help and selecting contact us. Describe your issue in detail to get assistance. And I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the problem with your Snapchat story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.